Good morning everyone. Myself Saloni Boile from Adarsh College Hingoli, studying in B.Sc. third year. So guys, here my topic is interpolation with equal intervals. First of all, we will see the definition of interpolation. What is means of inter? Inter means intermediate. Polation means in the located value. Interpolation means insertion or filling of intermediate terms. Actually, it is the technique to find the value of functions under some consideration. For any intermediate value, independent variable when the value of a function corresponding to the number value of variable. Now, suppose that if we consider the function and a term that is x such that a plus h, a plus 2h, a plus 3h, a plus nh, then corresponding value of f of x such that f of a plus h, f of a plus 2h, f of a plus nh. Then suppose we have to find the unknown term of this value. So that the process of finding unknown function which is intermediate of the given range, it is simply but from f of a to f of a plus h, and process of finding this unknown function is called the process of interpolation. Okay guys, till now we have seen the definition of interpolation. Now we will see the Newton's formula for backward interpolation. Let us see the Newton's formula for backward interpolation. The formula of the preceding section cannot be used for interpolation. A value of f of x near the end of the tubular values. To derive a formula for this case, we have to write the polynomials. So, Pn of x equals to a0 plus a1 x minus a minus nh plus an in bracket x minus a minus nh in bracket a minus nh plus a3 in bracket x minus a minus nh x minus a minus nh plus x. Similarly, for the n term, an in bracket x minus a minus nh bracket close bracket x minus a minus nh ... x minus a minus h. It will be the equation 1. To determine the coefficient of a0, a1 ... an so as to make Pn of a plus nh equal to f of a plus nh ... Pn of a equals to f of a. Similarly, putting successive in equation 1, we get x equals to a plus nh, a plus nh minus x, and also putting p of a plus nh equals to f of a plus nh, we get f of a plus nh equals to a0, or a0 equals to f of a plus nh. F of a plus nh minus h equals to a0 plus a1 minus h. Implies this a1 equals to f of a plus nh minus f of a plus nh minus h upon h. Implies this a1 equals to 1 upon h delta f of a plus nh, where delta is called the backward operator and is defined by the relation. Delta f of x equals to f of x minus f of x minus h. Also, f of x plus nh minus 2h equals to a0 plus a1 minus 2h plus a2 minus 2h minus h. A2 equals to f of a plus nh minus 2f of a plus n minus h plus f of a plus n minus 2h upon 2h square equals to 1 by 2 factorial h square delta square f of a plus nh. Similarly, a3 equals to 1 by 3 factorial h cube delta cube f of a plus nh. That similarly for n, an equals to 1 upon n factorial hn delta nf of a plus nh. Now we have to substitute the value of a1, a2 dot an in equation 1. Then we will get Pn of x equals to f of a minus nh plus delta f of a plus nh upon h x minus a plus nh plus delta square f of a plus nh upon 2 factorial h square of x minus a plus nh in bracket x minus a plus nh minus h plus delta nf of a plus nh upon n factorial hn in bracket x minus a plus nh in bracket x minus a plus nh minus h dot in bracket x minus a plus h. Hence we have showed the Newton's formula for backward interpolation. Thank you guys for watching my presentation. I hope you like it.